Yesterday morning, we heard from the Foreign Secretary who was saying that that very much was still the right option, the localised, targeted approach that the government have been talking so much about. But now, as you say, Whitehall sources saying that there have been conversations at the highest level, the Prime Minister, the Chancellor, the Health Secretary, Michael Gove, talking about whether there should be tougher restrictions across the board in England, and that could come into force as soon as next week. This hasn't been confirmed yet by Number 10. We don't know exactly what this would look like. Would this mean a higher tier of restrictions, perhaps a tier 4, or a lockdown similar to the lockdown we saw last time round? But clearly this is a marked shift in direction. As you say, the government were clear that they wanted to try to tread this middle path between helping the health and the economy of the country. They already are facing a lot of pushback from some backbenchers who feel that already they're going too far, and we are hearing some grumblings this morning that backbenchers won't be happy if this is indeed right, and we do hear that the government will be going further on a national level in England. But as I say, it's been an interesting week. We've seen Europe moving in a different direction, France and Germany shifting to a more national approach. We're halfway through the Wales circuit breaker, and all the while the scientific warnings are mounting. Yesterday we had the new SAGE documents you heard there from our health correspondent suggesting that we are past where we should be in terms of the worst case scenario in terms of the spread of the virus. So concerning scientific warnings, and Labour, of course, saying that all of this shows we should have gone with their idea of a national circuit breaker sooner, and if the government wants to act, it needs to do it very fast.